Now here the question is, a computer producing factory has only two plants, T1 and T2. Plant T1 produces 20% and plant T2 produces 80% of the total computer produced. So we have two plants, T1 and T2. Now plant T1 handles 20% of the production. So this probability of choosing a product from T1, it is 20 by 100, and from T2, this probability will be 80 by 100. If 7% of the computers produced in the factory turns out to be defective, so overall defective will be 7 by 100. It is known that probability computer turns out defective given that product is from plant T1, it is 10 times probability. Computer turns out it is defective, it is produced in plant T2, and suppose this is X. Now first one is probability it is defective. If it has come from plant T1, it will be X, and probability that it is defective if it has come from plant T2, it will be simply X by 10. So from this given information, first we'll find the value of X. Now probability of getting defective will be either we get defective from T1 or we get defective from T2. So it will be this 20x by 100 plus 80x by 1000, and it will be equal to 7 by 100. Now this will cancel. So we'll get this as 28x equals 7. Value of x is 1 by 4. So probability of getting a defective from T1, it is 1 by 4, and probability of getting defective from T2, it is 1 by 40. Now it says a computer produced in the factory is randomly selected and it does not turn out to be defective. Find the probability that it is produced in plant T2. Now for this, first we calculate this probability, which is probability it is not defective if it has come from T1. Now we know that probability of A upon B plus probability of A naught upon B, it is equal to 1. So probability of D naught upon T1 will be simply 3 by 4, and probability of D naught upon T2 will be 39 by 40. So now again we have two plants, T1 and T2. Getting it from T1, it is 20 by 100, T2 is 80 by 100. Not defective from T1, it is 3 by 4. Not defective from T2, it is 39 by 40. Now, if it is non-defective, find the probability that it has come from T2. So we have to find this conditional probability that if it is not defective, it has come from T2. So we'll take this case in the numerator. So it will be this 80 by 100 into 39 by 40 divided by this 20 by 100 into 3 by 4 plus 80 by 100 into 39 by 40. Now this 0 0 will cancel. We'll cancel this 400. So it will be this 8 into 39 upon 60 plus 8 into 39, which is 312 upon 372, which is 26 by 31. So it is 26 by 31, or if we multiply it with 3, we'll get this as 78 upon 93, and that's your option C.